find the bird that flew off. It was so low it couldn't shoot. Sometimes you get pen-raised birds that don't fly very well. Oh, I don't think... Yeah, I don't think you did anything wrong. I just think it was that particular bird. Yeah. Well, what I'm hoping is she finds it. Good girl. Find that bird. Find that bird, sweetie. It's down here somewhere. I'd just like to get some more feathers in her mouth. Good girl. They'll either land in here or they'll go across the road. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Good girl. Whoa. Fetch it up. Woo-hoo-hoo. Good girl, Roca. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, sweetie. Woohoo! Daddy can be proud of that one. Daddy's gonna be proud of that one. That's a good job. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. No. That is a good girl. You did good, sweetie. Great job.